Hi everyone, welcome to our channel where we simplify complex tasks to help you succeed. Today we are diving into the TurboTax, one of the most popular tool for filing tax online. Whether you're a first-time filer or just need a refresher, this video will guide you step by step on how to use TurboTax to file your taxes with confidence. By the end of this video, you will know how to create an account, enter information, maximize deduction, and submit your return. Let's get started. TurboTax is an online tax preparation software that makes filing your tax simple, accurate, and stress free. It's designed for individual freelancers, small businesses owners, and more. I will walk you through each section of the tax return, ensure your tax are calculated correctly, help you find every tax deduction, and credit your qualify for. Allow you to resubmit your return directly to the IRS. TurboTax is a perfect for beginners and expert alike. So let's dive into without wasting any more time. If you are new to TurboTax, click on create account. So first of all, on the top right side corner, just go to TurboTax, click on sign in. Now here it will ask you, I have already an ID by the way. If you don't have any ID, here in the bottom it will ask you new to Intuit, click on create an account. To create an account, it will ask you some of this information you have to fill up and click on Intuit account. I have already an account, so let's go and click on sign in. Now, TurboTax often different versions such as a free edition, deluxe, premium, and self-employed, right? And choose the whichever fits best to you. By the way, there's a link given in our description. If you buy from there, you will get a good discount and we will get us some commission. This is affiliate link. So it's good for both of us. Right now here, I will just go and click on text code here. I will just enter the code. And if you are already customer of TurboTax here, this is how you can just log in into the account. Now let me just enter the temporary code, click on continue, and in just few seconds I will be able to log in into my account. Now here you will see a lot of options. For example, hi, let's keep working on your taxes. So you need to fill up your personal information, which I've already did. You have to enter some of your personal details, make sure it's accurate. Wages and income, deduction, credit, and other everything here. Now on screen here you will see, you can just go and click on start return once you click on finish and file, and these are some of this information. And on the left side you will see tax home and documents, right? So you just need a plus benefits. I need to buy the subscription to add all my documents here. Right now if I just go and click on wages and income, now you haven't entered any income yet. Let's get started. So you can just go and click on let's get started here, and we have to enter income. Now you have to enter your SSN number in the personal detail. I can't show you, but here this is my info. This is a federal wages and income. Here it came, right? And the best thing here we are going to talk about that TurboTax will ask a few questions to tailor your experience, such as whether whether you own a house or have a children or are you a student, and if your employer or financial institution support it, you can import your W2 directly into your TurboTax. Otherwise, you will need to enter the information manually. TurboTax interface is very intuitive and it will guide you through each step, take you your time and ensure your information is correct. For example, I'm just adding one of my information, add my income here. Do you make any money from interest? Yes, I do. Do you withdraw money from retirement plan? I say no actually, right? And if you're not sure, you can just go and press on I will answer later. Do you own or control a foreign bank account? No. Now here, these are some of this information. Now next we have enter once all the source of income which I'm adding right now. And this is wages and income, right? Which is a 1099 form, right? K, crypto, right? DIV and ING 1099B. So you can just go and click on get started. Here it will give you some of this form. So here just read it. This can include all this income from different investment. And here let's say I don't have any, so I will just go and click on no, right? It might be a little bit confusing, but if you have the basic information about the tax filing, you will get it. If you're not, then you can just go and ask the help of any professional. They will help you with it. Now click on done and continue. Also include any additional income such as rental income, investment income, unemployment benefits. TurboTax will automatically calculate your total income and ensure it's reported correctly. If you're unsure about income sources, consult your tax document or tax professional. For example, do you own or control a foreign bank? Actually, no. Do you take a disaster distribution? No. Although I'm not entering the accurate information, this is just an demo account or example. Do you have a financial stake in digital assets? I mean, crypto or some of things. I'm not sure, but there are so many digital assets, right? Time to find all those tax breaks here. Click on find tax breaks. Now automatically it will find it, right? Now TurboTax will compare the two and recommend the best option that will save you money, right? Because all this information is really important. Although just to show you the end goal, I'm selecting I will answer later, right? But make sure you enter all this information. This is regarding deduction and credit. Now it will ask you, it will just keep asking for each and everything. For example, deduction and credits. I will just go and click on continue, right? And here you can just go and click on your tax breaks, donation, personal charity, so you can get deduction while filing your taxes, right? I will just press here continue. Now enter any donation you made throughout the year, include eligible medical cost, claim credit like American opportunity tax credit or lifetime learning credit. TurboTax will identify credit you qualify for, such as on income tax credit, which is called EITC, or child tax credit. Take your time with this section. It can significantly reduce your tax bill or increase your refund. This is a standard deduction is right for you, so you can just go and click on change, right? Or let's go and click on continue. Now here we have moved to the next section, that is other tax situation. So obviously it will take time. Now here you have to select each and every information, right? Make sure it's correct. Now once you have entered all your information, TurboTax will review. They will just come to the review section. Right now TurboTax will review each and every information which you've added. Make sure TurboTax will flag any potential issues, right? For example, if I just go and click on check my return, now looking over every detail of your returns, make sure there's a no mistake in your details, because TurboTax can only calculate the information which you have provided to it. Now go through any section, it ensure everything is correct. For example, just about ready to file, but first here is two details for your review. So I will just go and click on continue. For example, the personal information and this two need to be, the information is not correct, so I just need to enter a correct information. Now once it will show you how much you can save in the review section. Now the next will be the file here. Electronically sign your return using your prior year adjusted gross income, which is called AGI, or self select pin. Choose to e-file your return directly to the IRS or print and mail it. TurboTax will provide a confirmation. Once your return is submitted, you can track the status of your refund using IRS Where's My Refund tool. Right, if you run into any issue, TurboTax offers excellent support, so you can just go and click on ask for the support here. Here's how to get help, access tutorial, FAQs and troubleshooting. You can watch our videos. There's a live support, you can ask them. Now here are few tips which I want to give you. So have all your tax documents, for example W2S, 1099S, receipts, and ready before starting. Filing taxes can be overwhelming, so take breaks if needed. Review your returns carefully before submitting, and avoid the last minute rush and file your taxes early to get your return fastest. And that's it. You are now ready to use TurboTax to file your taxes with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. And please buy the subscription from the given link in our description. Take care. Goodbye.